for Ramsey, where the sheriff wears a grin, with a badge on his chest, but no law within. They say he cares for children, but that's just for show, 'cause his own boys were broken by the seeds he sowed. Oh, Sheriff Bob, what have you done? Preaching safe and strong, but hurting everyone. The children pay the price of your dirty lies, while you smile for the cameras and turn a blind eye. Kyle was his firstborn, he was wild as a storm, too young to handle, too lost to reform. Drunk behind the wheel, he paid the cost. A friend's life taken, another son lost. They buried him young on his birthday alone, the sheriff's child fallen from his gilded throne. Oh, Sheriff Bob, what have you done? Preaching safe and strong, but hurting everyone. The children pay the price of your dirty lies, while you smile for the cameras and turn a blind eye. Then there's Logan, came out when he was just 14, but Bob had a vision, he cleaned him clean. Sent his son to a hell where love was a crime, preaching hate from the pulpit, wasting precious time. Now Logan's long gone, heart scarred and sore, another bridge burned, forever closed door. He claims to serve youth, his youth plus pride, but dark secrets and scandals he can't hide. A volunteer caught with a child in his hand, Sheriff Bob turned away, didn't take a stand. Now Town's closed, but he wants it back, another cage for kids to stay off his track. And that charter school, oh, they called it charter, full of lies and schemes, never going farther. Money in his pockets, talk of the dark, just a shell of a dream with a hateful mark. Oh, Sheriff Bob, what have you done? Preaching safe and strong, but hurting everyone. The children pay the price of your dirty lies, while you smile for the cameras and turn a blind eye. And then there's Chrissy, his innocent love, the young girl he'd known since her youth up above. A friend's daughter taken, a family betrayed, but he keeps his own truths buried in shame shade. Called her his Chrissy, watched her grow, and the town shook its head at a love so low. So beware of the sheriff who claims he's pure. His words may be sweet, but his sins endure. Ramsey's shadow lingers long after he's gone, for the lives he shattered and the wrongs left undone.